Hello everyone, this is Gary Hink, one of the organizers, here with a quick tutorial about using the forums. So go ahead and log in, and if you need to create an account, you'll be able to on this screen. You could also use one of these accounts that you already have, and it'll just ask you for a little bit of extra information. If you need to create one, there is that register link right at the bottom there. So once you log in, you will be directed to the forums and you'll be able to post new topics as well as replies. So you'll be taken to this screen. And I'm not using my administrator account, I'm just using a regular account, so this is exactly what it's going to look like for you. We have a couple of forums set up already, and I have created a few new ones for the workshops, panels, deep think tanks. So here I'll show an example. If you're conducting a workshop and you'd like to post materials or links or videos or anything for the participants, as well as a place for participants to have a conversation, go ahead and post. I'll just pick one at random here. So let's say you are someone posting to this, go ahead and reply. I've already added all the information there so that it's not just blank forums. So find your workshop and post there. Maybe here is a video. Check out, before, during, after the Thursday morning workshop. And you can choose whether to have replies sent to you if someone posts a reply to your thread here, or leave the default by not. You'll also get a notification at the top here if someone has replied, only when you are logged in. So you see I've added a couple of tags. You can add tags for people to be able to browse and connect with yours. They'll also be able to favorite your thread here, so they'll be able to keep a log of all of their all the sessions that they keep track of using this account. Subscribe would be getting notifications to the discussion in this thread as well. So just go ahead and submit, and keep in mind you'll be able to edit your posts, but only an administrator can delete. But yeah, you'll be able to edit, and you'll see your name will be linked to that account. So maybe want to take a second and update that with some information. So when you click on your name and go to profile, you can get to that from the top right screen as well. You see that someone, let's say, clicked my profile as someone who had posted in that thread, and they ended up on this screen. So you might want to edit this with some basic information. You can post as much or as little as you would like, just keeping in mind that anyone will be able to find you as someone who posts in that forum thread. It should show all of your posts as well. Forum topics started, right? Or replies created. So you'll be able to access your own post right from your profile page, as well as from any notifications that you get. So that's it for now. As you can see, there are a lot of features. Hopefully this helps us out a great deal and opens up some good conversation and potential before, during, and after the conference. Please let me know if you have any questions, concerns, technical difficulty, or suggestions as well for maybe how to organize this to create some better outcomes. But yeah, look forward to seeing all of your work, and like I said, let me know if you have any questions.